Let's do a little more concussion. You got something down here. It doesn't feel too bad. But we might get a couple of pops and clicks. Usually around here is where the adrenaline, the adrenal glands, and so most people will be stuck in here if you get any kind of stress or excitement. And then your real stuff is up here. So the fact that it switched sides means maybe you're doing something different. Maybe you're paying attention to your posture more, or you were looking down to the left, like one of the computer monitors was in a different position, or you were at a different desk or something. But usually neck stuff looking down, right? And the reason I'm talking about it is because if you could figure out what's jacking you, you could avoid it. And prevention is the best, and then I won't have to fix it. It does feel like you got some tension up here in the cabeza, so we'll just hammer it out. No worries. Okay, good. Just keep breathing. Take a few big, deep breaths. Good. Awesome. Very good. Got some good motion here. Coming back for the lumbar. We'll get a good stretch even if there's nothing to release here. Make sure. Go real deep. Yeah, you're good. So we had a good muscle stretch. There was nothing there. So when you got a nice level pelvis and sacrum, lumbar is happy, that's a good foundation. So we're building on a good foundation. Up here, that's mostly what I feel good. That's releasing already. And then go real deep up here. I see this as your crux. Good. It's moving fine. It's moving awesome. It might be a little uncomfortable when I'm on top here. That's why I'm shaking you to distract it. But I'm putting you through a full range of motion. This is just opened up. It feels really good. Maybe something right there. So I'm going to give it a good one. Just relax and breathe. Yeah, it's coming fast and deep. Good. There it was. Number 3 was the last one. Click, right? It hurt. I'm sorry.
That's tender.
Yeah, let it go. Relax that left shoulder. This is what's pulling into your neck. Coming from the side. Good. You're doing good. I know it's hard to release. I know it hurts. There you go. That's it. A lot of it's muscular. Good. All right. Yeah, good job. Now, I made you suffer because I'm a bit sadistic, but this is the way.
Yeah.
Without making you hurt. I figured you could take it, right? So I went deep.
Yeah.
That technique, not everyone could take it. I might not do that to your wife or your grandma or something.
Right.
But on muscular guys, it's like massage. Some muscle work. Loosen up those muscles. Have you been lifting?
No, I have not.
Okay. So probably looking down something, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the computer work is the death of us. Just take lots of breaks when you're on the computer. Stretch your neck if you can't get up. Take a break. Just twist the neck around. Yeah, see, this is working good on you. Next, we're going right here manually. We're going to check right in there. All right. Turn your head to the side for me.
Which side? Left or right?
Either one. I feel that in the middle. I'm looking as high as I could go on this side. Usually this is your listing up here. Usually you're tender up here. Tender?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I thought. Just relax and breathe. Take a big breath. Okay, turn to the other side, please. Have to do more than one on this side. That's your side. A lot of inflammation in there. So the neck's been stiff. All I feel is inflammation. Yeah, it's making it hard to feel the bones. Don't worry, we'll find them. You find your neck, we'll be able to adjust it. It's in here somewhere. Right there. Okay. Yeah, baby. Woo! Come back to the center. Let's see if we got it. Turn your head left for me. It's going short again. So we got C1. I think you got a whole bunch of stuff going on today. Tender down here? Not so bad? Okay, we're coming up higher. This middle part, huh? No?
It's not tender on this side.
It's not tender
It's
on
the other
this
side.
It's the other side. Well, when you turn this way, it's making your leg hella short. So sometimes it's restricted in turning one direction, but it's pinching on the other side. So it may not always be tender. Right there. Just big breath. Okay, come back to the middle. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to do your occiput, so that might be reading. But yeah, also, I might have to just get it on the other side. I got to listen to what the universe is telling me. If you're saying left, it might just be left. Let's see if we got it. All right, turn to your left again. Okay, so it's better. Turn to your right. So now what you're feeling on the left, if I need to adjust it on the left, should be showing up. And it kind of is. Yeah. It's in and out, actually. It was, now it's not. So you got tight muscles there for sure. Muscle stretching, you do this in the morning or at night. When you lay down, I don't know if you can do it a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Sometimes just laying here like this will make me nauseous. Right, so I can only do it for a minute. Now I'm up to like 5 minutes.
Like this?
Just like this, because you got tight muscles.
Flat with my head.
Yeah.
Looking to the right.
Yeah, both sides.
Okay.
If one side's tighter.
I need to lay on the hard surface, like the floor?
No, pillow in the bed just before you fall asleep.
Okay.
Or when you wake up. Maybe up here, asleep too. All right, come back to the center. Push your forehead down against the table. That's what it is. Okay, just relax. Take a few deep breaths. Exaggerate it. We're going to do the drop table. Good. Yeah, I felt it open. Yeah, so you're probably feeling your blood pressure drop, your heart rate start to slow down a little. Push your forehead against the table again. Fantastic, looks much better. Okay, we did it. Or you did it. Let's check that stiff, turn left again. It's fine. Turn right. Yeah, you're clear. Good job, buddy. All right, let's go over those x-rays.